Hey guys, today we'll be showing you how to install a Turbosmart Kompact EM blow-off valve on our Mk7 Golf R. The EM series blow-off valve is new for Turbosmart. It features patent-pending technology. It's one of the fastest responding valves on the market, but more importantly, it is complete plug and play. One of the main features of replacing these blow-off valves in your car is the leak-free design. It is over 400% better than the standard valve, and it allows you to reach your target boost, especially with a hybrid turbo setup.
Firmly pull up the edges of the engine cover, release the clips from the engine cover mounts and remove out of the way. Unscrew the hose clamp holding on the inlet pipe to the turbo and pull the pipe out of the way. Squeeze together the two tabs holding on the oil breather line and pull off the suction pipe. At the back of the turbo is a torque spit. Unscrew that bolt and remove. This will allow that suction pipe to rotate. To remove the suction pipe, rotate the pipe back towards the firewall and pull away from the turbocharger. Squeeze the connector plug and pull up off the diverter valve and move the wiring out of the way. There are 3 bolts holding the diverter valve in place. Unscrew these with a 5mm hex key. Once the bolts are out, remove the diverter valve from the turbo assembly. Once the diverter valve is off the turbo, it is time to fit the Turbosmart Kompact EM valve. Make sure that the O-rings on the Turbosmart valve are in their respective grooves. There is a flat edge on one side of the valve indicating alignment to the recirculation port on the turbo as seen here. Place the diverter valve onto the turbocharger. Put the first bolt in and finger tighten as a placeholder. Then using a 5mm hex key, install the remaining 2 bolts, remembering to tighten up the first bolt so that it is securely fastened to the turbocharger. Reinstall the suction pipe, making sure that the threads align on the turbocharger assembly. Once aligned, rotate towards the engine and lock into place. Now, reinstall the remaining bolt at the back of the turbocharger to make sure that the suction pipe is secured firmly. Reinstall the oil breather line by firmly pushing down until the tabs click back into place. Connect the Turbosmart diverter valve plug into the original wiring harness. Mount this connector away from any heat sources and secure with a cable tie. Reinstall the remaining piece of the suction pipe back onto the plastic connector and factory airbox pipe. Remember to tighten up those hose clamps. Lastly, reinstall the engine cover by firmly pushing down on the 4 corners till they snap back onto the mounts. Make sure that the mounts are aligned before pushing down on the cover.